Navigating the year-end chaos is often top of mind for many business owners, professionals, and accountants during this challenging time when there's so much to do, not only in your professional lives, but in our personal lives as well. During this year-end rush, it's easy to worry about how you'll manage the stress and ensure that you not only get everything done, but also find time to enjoy your holidays as well. In today's podcast episode, I walk you through some of the steps I work on with my one-on-one clients. These simple steps will help you navigate this busy time and help you savor the joy of the holidays. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, accountant, virtual assistant, or you have a professional career, going into the holiday season with a plan, knowing the right balance between your professional life and your personal life, and making sure that you take time for your own well-being will definitely have an impact on every single moment you get to enjoy during the upcoming holiday season. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. The end of the year can be overwhelming, juggling year-end financials, holiday plans, and the general chaos that accompanies the season. As a CPA and certified life coach, I've seen the toll that it can take on business owners, accountants, and professionals, and that's why I want to share with you how you can genuinely create a stress-free holiday for yourself this year. Today, I'm sharing 5 simple steps to help you navigate this busy time and savor the joy of the holidays. The first step is to take a moment and reflect on your priorities. What are the crucial tasks that must be completed by the end of the year? Think about the tasks that you have in your professional life, but don't forget about everything you have going on in your personal life as well. Prioritize each of these tasks based on urgency and importance. When you prioritize, you'll discover that some tasks could be delegated, postponed, or they might not even need to be done. Taking the time to do this simple step alone will significantly help you reduce your stress. Step 2 is all about setting up efficient processes to ensure that these high-priority tasks get done. Establish a clear workflow for your tasks to streamline your efforts. Consider automation whenever you can for repetitive tasks. For example, many of the accountants, bookkeepers, and the business owners that I work with implement automation for data entry, which allows them to focus on higher value activities not only during the busy holiday season, but they are able to reap the benefits all year long. When you implement efficient processes, not only will you save time, but you'll also enhance your overall sense of control. In step 3, you'll need to address the importance of taking breaks and your own self-care. When you take short breaks, you'll boost productivity and your creativity. By incorporating short breaks into your workday, you'll find that your energy levels will increase and you'll approach your tasks with a renewed focus. Taking care of yourself is a crucial part of achieving your year-end goals. I want you to remember this. I know that there's many people who view it as a time when they're not getting tasks done. I want to share a story of a client who was often stressed during the holiday season. Through working with me, he realized that everything he was thinking about his workload contributed to his stress. When we worked through shifting how he was thinking about everything he needed to get done, and he started focusing on one task at a time, he was not only able to get more done, but he also felt a sense of accomplishment, which led to a much more enjoyable holiday season. It took some deep reflection for him to see how he was looking at everything before he was able to make the shift. But he was so amazed that once he did this, everything seemed so much more manageable. He often tells me that if he hadn't started working with me, he'd still be stuck stressing about not only how to set up his processes, but also getting everything done. Not just during the holidays, but the benefits he receives benefits him every day of the year. Step 4 involves delegation, collaboration, and being true to yourself about what really needs to get done. You don't have to do everything alone. Even if you're a solopreneur or sole proprietor, there are options for you. When we're talking about your personal life, you can delegate and collaborate as well. Whenever you can in your professional or your personal life, delegate tasks that others can handle and collaborate with your team, your family, or your friends. You might want to consider hiring independent contractors for things like bookkeeping, marketing, housekeeping, or even shopping. Make sure that you take into consideration where your strengths and your weaknesses are and what you truly enjoy doing. When you're able to lighten your workload, you can bring in a fresh perspective, which often leads to improving your overall efficiency. In business, this could also mean increasing your bottom line, and in your personal life, it opens up more opportunities to savor the moments of the holidays. Finally, step 5 is about celebrating your achievements, both big and small, and in both your professional and your personal life. Take time to acknowledge your progress and accomplishments. This positive reinforcement will not only boost your morale, but also enhance your overall well-being. When you start a tradition of reflecting on your achievements at the end of each day or week, it will not only provide motivation, but also help you maintain a positive mindset during the busy holiday season. Balancing the demands of year-end tasks with the spirit of the holidays is possible. When you reflect and prioritize, set up efficient processes, take breaks, practice self-care, delegate, collaborate, and celebrate your achievements, you can ensure a smoother, more enjoyable end to your year. By working with me, you'll change your life like many of the clients that I've worked with. You'll go from not knowing how to get through all of the stressful situations to being totally in control of exactly what you're choosing to get done at the time that you want to have it accomplished by, all while knowing you are doing enough and you're able to enjoy the holiday season in the way you want. I help clients just like you with strategy, mentorship, and coaching. You'll show up much more differently than you do today. And after all, this is what you ultimately want in your life, right? You can have a stress-free holiday season in both your professional and your personal life. Come join me. I have a special holiday offer available for you to work with me on a one-on-one basis from now through the end of 2023 for a one-time payment of $197. You can email me at info@financialadventure.com to get this offer, or you can email me from the financialadventure.com website. This offer is only for the upcoming holiday season, and it will be going away soon. If you're listening to this podcast after the holiday season, don't worry, I'm still here to help. When I work with clients throughout the year, they're able to reduce their stress and overwhelm, understand how to master their small business finances, develop solutions to grow their bottom line, and create a work-life balance that they truly enjoy. I encourage you to take the next step by signing up for a free consultation session where I'm going to teach you the first step in my process so that you can eliminate stress, overwhelm, or overworking in your professional or your personal life, while you continue to get done what matters so that you can live your life with joy, purpose, and more fulfillment. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions that you have. I'd love to help you on this journey. You can schedule your free consultation or sign up for a coaching session today. As a certified public accountant and certified life coach, I can help you set goals and develop a plan that will allow you to lead a happier and more sustainable life in your business, your career, or your personal life. I'm here to guide you through the financial aspects of your business, as well as help you focus on the strategies that you need to follow to reach the success you want to achieve in your professional or your personal life, and stay committed so that you can continue to keep pushing forward and relieve the stress, anxiety, or overwhelm that you're currently feeling. Having an accountant and certified life coach like me can provide you with valuable insights and ideas to help you simplify your life, which enables you to go back to enjoying your professional and your personal life. I work with business owners, accountants, and other financial professionals to create the actionable steps that they need to take to ultimately achieve their goals while getting relief from the stress and overwhelm they feel from the pressure of owning a business, deadlines, and the workload that they face every day. If you're struggling with this as well and would like some help developing a solution, help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, I'd love for you to join me in my Balanced Life Coaching program so that you can live a more purposeful life. Each week, we meet privately, one-on-one, and you get to bring whatever is on your mind on any given week. I also have a daily coaching program where you can talk to me whenever it works best for you, 24/7, any day of the week. In either program, you get to work on your highest priority, whatever you want more of in your life, or if there's something that's weighing on you heavily that you need coaching on, and we'll work through it together. Having a certified life coach like me helping you through all of this allows you to feel so seen and cared for, and the results are amazing. Everyone benefits when they work with a certified life coach. After every session, you feel energized and you know exactly what to do for the day or the week to come, and relief knowing that we'll meet again to go over anything that comes up after your session. You'll gain self-awareness while you take each step towards your goals. The investment in these programs is an easy yes for you. I've set these programs up in the most supportive way. If you're ready to join the Balanced Life Coaching Program, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. You'll see the link to join as well as additional information about the programs. Sign up now. There are limited spots available for these programs due to the one-on-one aspect, and they do sell out. If the payment link is gone, you can get on my wait list to join the programs when additional spots are available. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I coach everybody on everything. I know that there's something you want in your life, and I can help you get it. I know this is something that you've been waiting for. I've been asked by many of my listeners to create these exact programs. The faster that you get access to the program, the quicker you'll see the possibilities that are available to you. I also have a risk-free guarantee. I believe so strongly that everyone benefits from coaching that when you sign up for the Balanced Life Coaching Program today, if for any reason you're not satisfied with your first session, you can send us an email and we'll refund you immediately. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Why would you want to wait? Make this investment for yourself. Take the journey with me and make it happen for yourself. Ask yourself, why do you need this program in your life right now? Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business or your career, and to start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future, not only in your business or your career, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you thrive in your business or career while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.